Oh man, I love my new picture spinner. Mario, what are you doing? I play with my picture spinner. Whoa, Mario, where would you get that? I got it from Amazon or something. I got it from Amazon. Yeah, that's right. Come on, Amazon. Okay, so what are you doing? What do you do about it? So I don't know. Wait, I got an idea. Why don't we just take the picture spinner and we can fly on the sky? On the sky? Yeah, on the sky. That's a great idea. Okay, come on. Alright, Luigi, what am I gonna do? And I'm gonna fly this picture spinner. And then, and I close the window and I open the window because I'm gonna fly in the sky. Fly in the sky, Mario? Yeah. Well, I guess it makes sense. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Alright, Luigi, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! 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 Oh my God! Whoa! I'm in the plane! Oh my God! I'm gonna jump in the window! No! My God! Oh. Alright, you okay? Yeah, Luigi, I'm alright. Oh, great, Mario. Now let's get out of here. Okay. Mario, what's going on with you? I don't know, Luigi. I think you have the hiccups. Hiccups? That doesn't make any sense, Luigi. I'm fine. Mario, I think we should call a doctor because you have hiccups. So come on. Okay, Luigi. Hey, do you need somebody to call a doctor? Oh, thank God you're here, doctor. So you see, Marios have hiccups. Yeah, doctor, I don't know what's going on. I think you have hiccups because you look so terrible. So now, what do you want me to do about it? I don't know. Can you please give like something? Well, you can do that. So listen to the rules on the hiccups. You need water to break the hiccups. Water. It doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna do it. Thanks, Mr. Hands. Welcome. Alright, so we got the big glass of water because this is not a glass of water, so I guess it makes sense. Alright, so I'm gonna trick them. Alright, here we go. Alright. Trick it. I feel better? Yeah, I guess I may feel better. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, so what we gotta do? Oh, I see the commercials, I see the animation, so we can scare me. Scare me? Yeah, we can scare you because it's gonna bring your hiccups. Yeah, I mean, I guess I'll do it. Whether you're scared. I'm scared to Bowser's do hit me on fired. Well, I mean, I guess we do it. Let's go tell Bowser. Okay. Alright, so Bowser's not gonna call me there. And now once we have this bird, it's gonna scare me. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Well, is it off? Oh, that doesn't make any sense. Why would I have to scare Mario and he's break the hiccups and now he's stop it? That's it. We're gonna do something with Mario to do. Alright, Mario, there's one thing we can do. What? No, are you seriously? I can't do that. It's gonna work, Mario. The last time the hiccups is not gone, so we gotta try it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whee! No. On the left. Oh my God, I did it. Wait, no. Not again, please. Alright, Mario. So the hiccups gone. Luigi, I think I read the hiccups. I'm back to normal. I really don't have hiccups. Really don't have hiccups? Yeah, I did it. Oh great, Mario. Now let's get out of here. You gotta be kidding me.